Hello everyone, my name is Pranav and I am a legal intern in Lexis and Companies. In today's video, I am going to talk about a very important aspect or a very important topic of seat of arbitration in arbitration law, and it is often confused with the term venue of arbitration, and seat of arbitration always had clashes between them. So now in today's video, I am going to give a brief overview to you all about this. So basically, seat of arbitration is a location selected by the parties as a legal place of arbitration, which consequently determines the procedural framework of the arbitration. So now, depending upon the location, an international arbitration usually takes place in a country or a location that is neutral to the parties. Although the seat is defined as a location, it is a fact, a legal construct with the limited geographical relevance. It is important to distinguish the seat of arbitration from the place of a hearing, whereas the first one is a purely legal notion, which in its own sense set of consequences. The latter is the operational or geographical choice. Practically, the parties may choose one country and its arbitration laws as the procedural law of the arbitration, but holds hearings as all other remaining activities in a different country without even setting foot in the country chosen by the seat. So now talking about the significance, the procedural law of arbitration or the lex arbitrae is an outer framework of arbitration proceedings. So lex arbitrae basically deals with a range of issues, but there are opinions that it is mostly provides as a gap filling mechanism. Absent parties agreement or specific provisions in the applicable arbitration rules, seeing that the choice of seat may ultimately determine whether the award is enforceable or not. The importance of proper choice of lex arbitrae is impressive. So I hope you got this topic. So thank you so much and have a nice day.